Hello, welcome to Family Dentistry of Frisco, where your smile is truly our passion. My name is Dr. Paresh Patel and I am the founder and principal dentist at Family Dentistry of Frisco. We are a full-service, comprehensive dental practice. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about third molars, commonly known as wisdom teeth. We provide in-office removal of wisdom teeth for our patients with the use of IV sedation. Third molar removal is pain-free and efficient. When patients think of third molar surgery, there is naturally a nervous energy and anxiety. We have a process that allows our patients to feel comfortable and to have their third molars removed comfortably. We use PRP and PRF, which involves taking a sample of the patient's blood, centrifuging it, and extracting the beneficial blood cells and placing them in the extraction sites. This allows us to perform this surgery in a way that allows the patient to recover more efficiently and more conveniently because they have less pain, and improves the long-term healing of the extraction sites.